You guys don't have stuff in the back, huh?
Air Jordan 1 Armory Navy, white and black is the color scheme. 55724. 411 is the style code. As you guys can see, it comes with the typical Jordan 1 mid box, nothing special. Now we have the shoe in front of us. You definitely cannot go wrong with this shoe. The Jordan 1 mid Armory Navy is crazy. It's like a navy blue with a little bit of teal with it, so it's not a straight navy blue, but the color scheme is dope. I do like the quality on the back. You know, that nubuck right there is pretty fire. Color combination is crazy. Maybe if you put some white laces in here, it might really offset the shoe. Let me know if you guys are gonna go with the lace swap options or keep them factory lace. Of course, let me know what your overall thoughts is on this one. That blue is definitely different. They've been giving us some, you know, array of colors of blue recently on some of these mids, with the dark marina blue. You have this Armory Navy, which I haven't really seen before, and then you got the nubuck on the sock liner or the collar of the shoe, which is dope. I like the color scheme. They gave us black laces with this, and this also is dope also. 1 to 10 scale. Let me know what you guys think about these mids. This shoot video right here is actually going to be pretty short because I do not have a size for myself. I just want to talk about these mids because I do think they're dope, and I'd love to know your opinions, and if you're somebody out there who actually will be adding these to your collections or picking them up yourself. Once again, we bring the membership back, so if you're looking for retail pickups, you guys got to go ahead and join the membership. Go ahead and join the membership. Link is always in the description. But let me know what you guys think about these Jordan 1 mids.